What's up guys, it's your boy Mad Mike, and on today's episode it's gonna be a little bit different because I'm gonna go splitboarding. It's been about a year since my accident that I had right up at the same location. The last time I came down here, I actually got heli-backed out. Broke a couple bones, it was pretty sketchy. It was a snowmobile accident. And today I'm gonna go visit the site where I crashed. Let's get all our gear ready, start touring up, hit the snow line, and go see where I hit the tree. Well guys, I've been hiking up this road for about half an hour now. It's deactivated logging road. I didn't drive all the way up because I'm solo and I didn't want to get stuck. And as you can see, the whole trail kind of gets patchy with snow here and there. So I played it safe and I parked down lower. So we hit the snow line. Boom! I think I'm gonna hike around this corner, make sure that the snow continues. And if it does, we'll slap the skins onto the board and start touring. But yeah, about a half an hour walk to get to here, to the snow line. Probably about another hour, hour and a half to get up to the peak of where I wanna go. So let's keep trekking. Guys, the last time I was standing in this very spot, I was getting heli rescued right here. I was getting rappelled up into the helicopter because it was a blizzard outside and the helicopter was too big to land. But yeah, it's pretty crazy to think that the last time I was sitting here, I was wrapped up like a burrito and getting heli rescued. Let's keep going. So it keeps going from snow to dirt, snow to rock. So I haven't skinned up yet, but I think just around this corner here, the snow's getting pretty deep where we can go ahead and slap the skins on and start touring. Then I don't have to carry the board. That's the idea of the sport anyways. Almost there. Well guys, this looks like a good spot to skin up. Snow is pretty deep from here on out. So let's go ahead, drop the bag, slap the skins on, and then we'll start touring. Check this out. You guys will find this pretty funny. So on the way up here, I thought I was gonna be able to drive to the snow line, but I had to walk up the logging road for about half an hour on the dirt. So I needed to carry the board on my backpack, but I didn't bring any of my straps for that. So the only thing I had in my car is my sling that I had from last year when I got in the accident. So I just looped it around down here on the bottom of the board. The two Velcro straps come up, loop around. It actually works really, really, really good. I'm pretty surprised. So I might do that in the future. It's a quick and easy way to get the board off. It holds it, supports it really well, nice and high, so your legs aren't kicking it. But yeah, I thought that's pretty funny, using my sling to carry the board. We are good to go, guys. Skins are on, cut poles, pack up the bag, and let's start the split. what a day. Bluebird, it's like, feels like 25 degrees. It actually feels like 35 degrees with the reflection of the sun off the snow. But yeah, we're making some good progress. Probably about another half an hour and I'll be up to the spot that I want to get to, aka the spot that I hit the tree. And you know what I love about splitboarding? The throttle can't stick. It's always a good thing, right? This board's working out awesome too. I am loving it. Super light. It's stiff too. It's not too flexy. So when you get to like a dip like this, it holds up its shape and you're able to traverse. I've been on a lot of boards that are flexy. So when you get in there, the board just flexes. I don't like that. I like this board here. Oh, look at that view. Woo, woo, woo. All right, let's keep going. But yeah, we just got out to the clear cut here. So as you can see, it's wide open. So let's stop here, get fueled up, and then we'll continue onwards and upwards. Well, you can see how deep it is up here. My whole leg is completely up to my waist right now. There's a bunch of tree holes and whatnot. Look how deep that is. Deep. I'm out here by myself right now. You gotta be careful. But it's a pretty safe zone, so I really just gotta watch out for tree holes. That's probably my biggest danger. I did see fresh bear crap on the trail, so that's another thing I gotta look out for. I do have bear spray, thanks to my bro. Playing it safe today, that's for sure. Because the last time I was up here, wasn't so safe. Today, safe. I can't get over how sick this zone is. There's no tracks, it's wide open. I'm gonna have some fun. I was gonna go up into the trees and do some lines through there, but the snow's pretty good here right now, and it's wide open. So I think I'm just gonna do a couple laps after we go check out the spot that I hit the tree, and yeah, we'll get some laps in. But look at that. That's a dream. Not bad for April 20th. You can see down that way there. That's Squamish. So if you're from this area, you can probably figure out where the spot is, but yeah, top secret, not gonna tell you. You'll have to find it. Just zigzagged my way up here, and that's where I hit the tree, right up in here. Guys, found the tree that I hit. You can see right here where the bark's all missing. Basically the throttle stuck up here, wide open, came this way, and boom, hit this tree here, blew up my elbow in 10 places, fractured my pelvis in 2, bounced off the sled, hit these trees, landed down there, and that's where I laid till about 2 o'clock in the morning, till all my friends came up and search and rescue came up. You can see all the cut down trees that all my friends were cutting down to put underneath me and to make 2 fires to keep me warm. So yeah, it's pretty crazy to be back in this spot, just kind of alive, number 1, and healthy, number 2, and on a beautiful day like this. So I'm very grateful to be alive. I'm stoked to be back here on a day like today and getting some turns in. So yeah, enough with the sad, sappy stuff. Let's go and get some turns. Yeah, man, such a nice day. All set up here. Views for days. There's Squamish Valley down that way. Alrighty guys, let's go get some turns in. I'm stoked. Just spent like an hour sitting up against this tree with my shirt off, tanning. Oh, it's bluebird out today. So nice. But snow's starting to heat up, so let's get after it before it gets too soft. Alright guys, so I converted the split back into solid board. So let's go ahead, make sure I have the skins, and get some turns in. Ew! Alright guys, we are in POV mode right now. I got my GoPro, so hopefully I can get some better action shots, but we're ready to ride. So I mounted the GoPro to like this head strap thing I got, so I'm gonna hopefully try to get some good shots. We'll see how it looks. Let's chuck it on my head and get some turns. Ew! Dropping. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That was sick. Let's convert the board back into a split board and get back up for some more turns. Yeah. Alright guys, I hope you guys can see. Let's go back uphill. wicked little cliff drops over there. Up in here, you got some little hits. That's super cool. You can see my tracks down through here. Dude, the run is just wide open. So much fun. And that right there, my friend, is a tree that I hit last season. The throttle stuck on me wide open from there. I came full throttle, boom, hit that tree. Then I hit that tree, and that's where I laid, all broken, for a couple of hours. Crazy. And that, my friends, is how you splitboard back uphill. Awesome. I think I'm gonna get it ready to head out now though. I'm exhausted. It's getting really hot out. The snow's getting really soft. So let's go ahead, pack up, head back into town. What goes up must go down. We're all strapped in. Let's go back to the truck. You! What a day! What's down there? Oh, cliff! Yeah, boys! And we're out! What a fun day! And I think we hit the end of the road. Woo! What a day. Time to hike out the rest of the way now. Well guys, that concludes today's episode. I hope you had fun joining me on my adventure. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.